Hi, how is everybody today on this Thursday evening now where I am? Um, Anyways, if you're hopping on here live, say hello so I can say hi to you. And if you're catching this on the replay, give me a shout out too, say hello or something. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I always love seeing all the places that people are watching from. It's kind of fun, right? So anyways, I don't know if anybody's going to join me today, but I'm not going to waste a lot of time waiting for people because I know people's time is very precious, just like it is to me. So, hello, whoever just hopped on. Anyways, so my biggest aha moment. So, in the past year, I started doing some different trainings online. And for those of you who've known me for a while, you know that I have been kind of working online for quite a few years now, but I never really was having any success, right? You look at some people's profiles and they have, thousands of friends and thousands upon thousands of followers, right? And I was always like, how do they do that? Like, where are they getting all these people? Where are they meeting all these people? Why are people following them? Why can't I get that, right? We all kind of wonder those things, right? Anyways, so this is what I've learned, and it's truly easy and simple. It's all about being social on social media. That's what it all boils down to, right? So take Facebook, for example. Um, you want to be active. You don't want to just come on and scroll, right? Because you're not interacting with anybody. You're not getting to know people, right? People come on Facebook to be social. They want to know you, right? They want to get to know, like, and trust you if you're in business, right? That's what people always say. They want to, you want to build that know, like, and trust factor. So how do you end up with these, thousands of followers or friends and, people that want to see your content and interact with you, on a daily basis? You do the same. It's that simple. Are you, liking and commenting on your friends' posts or maybe even people that you just follow that you're not friends with? You know, what comes around goes around, right? That's like the best saying ever because that's truly what it all boils down to. What comes around goes around. What you give out is going to come back to you, twice, even more so. So when you're on social media, like, don't just be scrolling. If you're trying to grow something on here, you need to support others, and in return, you'll get the support back. And when I started really doing that, on a daily basis and truly supporting people in their businesses, on their posts, no matter what they were sharing about, stuff about their personal life, it started coming back to me, in multiple times. And, if you look at my page, you can see all the interaction I get. And that's because I interact with other people and I take interest in what they're doing. Don't hide in Messenger. People don't like that, right? They don't really like to get those spammy messages. You're not really going to get to know them. Where are you going to get to know people? On their posts. What are they posting about? And if you want people to get to know you, you need to post about you and your life, not just your business all the time. Share your life. Who are you about? Share, if you're comfortable, do some lives. Tell people about you, your life, what you like to do. Show these types of things. And that's going to get people to know you. They're going to interact in your content, and it's just going to come back to you. It's really, truly that simple. Like, that has been the biggest thing that has turned around my social media. And I'm talking about Facebook, but it truly goes for any platform, right? The more love you give out, the more love you're going to get in return. So think about that when you're turning on social media, when you're going on Instagram, when you're going on Facebook, when you're going on TikTok, no matter what platform you're on. Like, are you just scrolling, or are you truly interacting and watching people's stuff and getting to know them? Because then in turn, they're going to do the same to you and get to know you. And they might not want to do business with you, right? You might not want to do business with them. That's fine and dandy. But as you're being more social, Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, they're going to push your content out to more people so that now maybe it will be pushed out to somebody who is interested in something that you're doing. And it's really, that's all it boils down to. So that's all I wanted to really say. That has totally like turned around the success that I'm having on social media, just that one simple little thing. So I hope you take that to heart, and I hope it helps you. And if you have any questions, feel free to, drop me a message here, leave a comment. Always happy to hear. I don't see any comments now, so I'm not sure if it's just Facebook being weird today or nobody's commenting. That's fine. But I hope you find this valuable. And, I do like to share valuable stuff to help others out all the time, too. So hope everybody had a fantastic day, great Thursday. It is like super hot here where I live today. I just was looking online and it actually got up to like 89 degrees here. That's like way too hot for me. I am not a heat person, for anybody that knows me. And there's my dog. So if you've watched any of my lives in the past, you know that Saber will always be in the background barking at some point in time. It's inevitable. It's gonna happen. He's our little rescue dog. And anyways, I'm gonna let you go now. Hope everybody has a great evening, and I will see you soon.